A year before, I met the MD of one of the heavy engineering company. During his discussion, he told me about the young talent is not inclined to join mechanical industry. If this scenario persists, then down the line we will not be having enough manpower for operational in the machining industry. Even during my one of the sessions, I have brought together academics and industry people together, where I do understand there was a gap about industry was expecting academics to include some industry syllabus, and academics were expecting the industry to come forward. But there is one gap. Where is the syllabus? Where is the literature? Where it can be taught? So idea about this book has been generated from that particular forum, that why not to create a syllabus will be easy for the industry and academics to accept. Hence, the birth of my book, The Game of Machining, has come to place, and I would like you to share and download this particular ebook and subscribe to my channel skillmatch_edu. There are a lot of things which we are coming from this channel for the education. I hope your support is highly appreciated. Thank you.